Hello and welcome to Time Trader Channel. Today I'm going to be taking a look at the NASDAQ, SNP500, and the Dow Jones, just to kind of get an idea of what my personal opinion or my take on what I think the markets are going to do, and go from there. Let's take a look. Again, welcome. My name is Ty, also known as Time Trader, where I trade money for time. So let's go ahead and take a look here at S&P. I have that pulled up here. This is a call that I posted in one of my shorts. You can take a look at that just on my channel here. But last night I placed a call here for S&P. Let's take a look where it's at right now. Again, this is my first position. This was my first setup. This is my second setup because I knew it might be pushing down just a little bit more. So I do have one position in place around the 12, like 450. 460 around there area. So I do have one position there. I do have pendings that are here as well. Actually, two positions that are pending here. So hopefully they come into play. Let's kind of go to a lower time frame here. We'll take a look at the 1 hour. So this is what I see. I see it pulling down to somewhere around. See, we'll take this. Well, where that yellow is at, I have one position there. I also have another position right above that wick, right around there. So I have two positions there that are waiting to get into play. Obviously, you can see this channel here, right? So this is kind of what I see as a pullback. And if we kind of go back out to the higher time frame, we can see this pattern here. I don't know if you can see it, but we can see the pattern here. Let me go take this out. We'll see the W pattern here, right? So that's what I think might happen, and then maybe we might see another drop off. So we'll see. You know, we kind of have to be careful. Trading is changing, right? Things are a little bit different now, so we might see something like this. So we kind of have to be careful, right? That's why I kind of stay within my risk parameters. I take a look at every possible outcome. Before I take a trade, I already have it in my mind. I already have it planned out that, you know, maybe if the trade goes against me, that's fine, right? So I'm staying within my risk parameters. So it could very well just go straight down from here, right? You never know. You never know. But we trade what's in front of us. So that's what I'm trading, is that pattern. So going on again to the lower time frame, obviously we do have a breakout of this channel here. My only concern is this also could be a channel. If you see that there, this could be another channel. That's why, right? It could be that. That could be one channel right there. So it could be there. I don't know, right? So, but I'm based my trades off of probability, based off of this breakout. I like this trade. I take it long. Or if we're trading futures, right, or options, that would be a call, right? So that's what I see is that pullback here, and then I'm taking this trade to go long here. So along the way, I'm going to be taking profits off. So I'll probably take one position off here, somewhere around here in the midsection. I'll take a position off there, and then put the rest into break even and let it ride, right? So we'll see what happens. So that's my outlook or my take on the NASDAQ. If you don't know what the NASDAQ is, I highly recommend that you kind of look into it and read up on what the NASDAQ is. It's basically collectively different stocks, specifically in the tech arena. So let's go ahead and take a look at the S&P, see what we got here. Similar, kind of similar setup. Again, we have a breakout here. Again, does it fall from here? Very well could. But again, based off probability, I like this spot here. I still do think it will push down just a little bit more and then maybe take off here, right? So that's what I see if I'm taking this position. I already have one long position or call current price, maybe around 4080 around there. I think is where I have a position there, but I like that. Let's go to the higher time frame, go to the daily. right? So I like that. I like it. You know, this could be a channel here. This could be it, right? This could be it. This could be what I see, but you have to be careful. Again, it could push down just a little bit more and then take off, but you want to have your stops somewhere a little bit lower around here. If you do take that long, that's what I would do. And just as a disclaimer, I forgot to mention, this is not financial advice in any way. I am not a financial advisor. I'm not licensed to do so. This is just kind of my personal opinion on what I think will happen, right? Again, just opinions based off of probability. So, again, they're kind of, you know, similar to the breakout with NASDAQ, right? So we'll see what happens. I'm already long there. We'll take a look at the Dow Jones. Obviously, we got a breakout. It's in a squeeze here, consolidation. This is where a lot of people hear consolidations. Anytime you hear consolidations or a squeeze, it's a lot of money. It's collecting a lot of money. Basically, a lot of people are losing money within here. So, if you know how to play this, right, you can play within the squeeze, taking longs here, shorts here. But I'd probably prefer to wait for a breakout. I honestly think it does look like it's still bullish, right? Because we had that breakout here. We'll go down to the lower time frame, but I'd like to see something like this. It could very well come down here, but I'm looking for something like that breakout here, like that, right? So we'll take it. We can take it here. Just at the next level is where I would take my profits if I was taking this long, maybe a little bit lower, like right around there. 35367 is where I would take it. It could go higher, right? But again, like I said, we know where our stops are at. If I do take this long, my stop is always going to be somewhere around here. But just be careful. There could be hunting for stops there. It could very well break out and then just take off. So just be careful. Be advised of what could potentially happen if they are hunting for those stops. But I still see a squeeze here, and it still looks very bullish to me. So I honestly think it's going to be short-lived. But that's what I see. For now, again, you know my plays. I'm already in the NASDAQ. I like this play here. I'm in the long or call, and I'm also long in the S&P as well. So that's what I see, my take on it. If you have a pair or any other pair, I also mainly trade Forex as well. If you want to take a look at any of the Forex pairs or gold, oil, anything like that, let me know if you want me to do a markup or have any questions. Go ahead and just message or comment below. Reach out to me. Happy to help. Or we'll kind of go over what pairs and my outlook on those as well. So, but if you do find any value in this, go ahead and do me a favor. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and like this video so that I can put more content out. So, thank you. Appreciate you stopping by.